Like brass, yeah.
Bro.
Hey, dito.
I love this.
Oh!
Is it recording?
Dude, I haven't been here in so long. My phone didn't automatically connect to the library Wi-Fi.
Easy phone's not used to this. It has never been connected.
It's my phone.
You being recorded. You're being recorded. I kept texting her the whole time, right?
Let me see it.
This is pretty nice.
Now hold your weight.
Say hey to the camera. Hey guys, I'm back and this is a late vlog, but I was gonna start this in the morning, but I started late and I'm on top of the playground. Right, Parker?
What?
I'm on top of the playground.
Yep.
I hate heights so fucking much.
My burrito is making my legs shake. I don't want to do it now. No, stop.
That's even literally scary because not been on here since a long time.
Hey kids! Yeah.
Fuck! God, fuck! Shit, my back.
Ow!
My ears just fucking popped. I can't hear all this here. I can't hear all this.
Once I can honestly say that I did not do it.
Oh, that is ugly. Oh my god. A motorcycle and
What happened?
Motorcycle accident in a car.
somebody must have died or something.
Hey guys, yeah, I hope you liked the video. I made this video during the weekend of September 16th or 17th, the 15th or 16th, I don't know, but that was during the weekend when I made this video. I'm sorry I don't upload things sooner after I make the vlogs, but it's been lazy lately, I don't know why, but yeah, we'll upload this video tonight. I hope it doesn't go haywire because I'm using a new editing app, so it looks well, it's just like really glitchy editing, so hope the video process of what I have to export it works fine, but yeah, hope you liked this video today, and yeah, another video will be coming up today soon, so yeah, hope you guys liked this video today, and I'll see you guys in a bit.